I'm going to show you how to make chocolate lava cake. This is a really decadent dessert. I know you're gonna love it. First, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then in a heat-proof bowl, add the chocolate chips and the butter and place it over a pot of simmering water until it's melted. You can, of course, do this in the microwave if you like. Once it's melted, set it aside to cool down to room temperature. For this recipe, you will need eggs and egg yolks. What I like to do is to have 3 separate bowls and crack the egg into the smallest bowl. Then use an empty plastic water bottle to take out the yolk and place it into one of the separate bowls, and then place the egg whites into the other bowl, and keep doing that until you have 4 egg yolks and 4 whole eggs. The reason I like to do it this way is just in case the yolk breaks, because if it does, you won't be able to separate it from the egg white. So if that does happen, you can just use it as a whole egg instead. So once you have 4 egg yolks, add the rest of the whole eggs. Then add them to the bowl of a stand mixer. And add in the sugar and beat them on high speed for 5 minutes. If you use an electric hand mixer, it may take 8 to 10 minutes. This is the consistency you want it to be. Then with the mixer running on low speed, slowly drizzle in the melted chocolate. Make sure it's cooled to room temperature before adding it, or it might cook the eggs, and we don't want that to happen. Then once it's incorporated, turn off the machine. Then sift over the flour and fold it in gently, just until it's combined. Grease 6 ramekins really well with non-stick cooking spray and scoop the batter into each one, trying to make it as even as possible. Then place them into the oven and bake them for about 10 to 12 minutes. Let them cool in the pan for 5 minutes. Then run a butter knife around the edges to loosen it. And flip it onto a serving plate. And serve it warm with a scoop of ice cream. And when you cut into it, the molten chocolate will just ooze out. Now this dessert is pretty rich, but with the vanilla ice cream, it all balances out really well. And that's how to make chocolate lava cake. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.